Everybody, welcome to Watch Me Practice Trading. This is the March Market Madness edition. This is going to be session number 18, I believe. Yeah, 18. We're going to be doing this one on March 3rd. So we started this series on March 1st, we did March 2nd, basically traded most of both days. And now we're starting with market open on the 3rd. We started on March 1st at $35,000 and we're up to $77,143. And let's see how this goes. In this series, I'm going to be doing 31 sessions, 31 videos, basically one for each day of March. And we are on 18, so we got a couple to go still. All right, here we go. Let's see what happens. So let's clear out all these lines and stuff because these were from the previous session. And how we looking over here? So what we basically did is we kind of went sideways for a little while. And then on March 1st, we did a bit of a sell-off. March 2nd, we came back up. And now we are around, just a bit over 12,100. So we're at 12,124, 123 right now. Market just opened. And here we have the 5-minute, the hour. These two are tick charts over here. And this is Friday, March 3rd, if that matters at all. So after this day, it's going to be the weekend. I don't know if we'll finish the series on the Friday. We might go into the following Monday. What would that be? March 6th, probably. But we'll see what happens. Okay, so on the 1st, we had opening range up here. So it was around 950 to, what about 80? 12,080. And then we dipped down on Thursday, the 2nd. So we were below it. And now we kind of gapped up here, right, from close. Where's close? So close would have been right around here somewhere. Let me zoom in. So it would have been somewhere around 64, 65. And we are edged up slightly higher here because it looks like we made an upward movement around 2 in the morning. And let's see. How we looking? Zoom in a bunch. Let's draw some levels on all of these lines here. So we'll put one here. We got a whole bunch. Oh, come on. There we go. A little laggy for some reason. Let's move this one up slightly. This is going back quite a ways. This is 21st of February. A bit of a mess in here. So here what we'll do is on this guy, we'll change the color. So this is, I think this is weekly open, if I remember right. It was right around 12,000, just slightly over. Okay. So let's see. Oh, and this is the hour chart. So we peaked up here, making a move back down. Okay, so how are we looking on these? Momentum, longish, possible changeover. switching along. This is long possible changeover. So we'll see. I'll see about getting into a trade here. So maybe, so we switched here to go short. We got this level up here. How about on the downside? So there's a level here, which we just passed. Then there's this level here. Drawn levels everywhere. Okay. On the top side, where might we be going? Maybe like somewhere up here initially. Like here, how much of a move is that? That is 120, 100 points. Then we'll say on the downside, we've got down here. So the thesis is up here and higher. Let me stretch this maybe like this. In that range or down here. Looks like we might be switching over here. Okay, we got filled for 3. Oh, nice green candle. So it's got a level down here. How are we looking on this guy, the 5-minute? Low, mid, high. Still very narrow. 38, like only 20 points. Looks like we might be switching along. Let's try to add to this, thinking that it's going to go up at least, probably at least to 50, 150. Or is this going to be one of those strong runaways that follow the ATR? Oh, geez. Okay, strong move down. Right here. Come on. What a tease. Is that all of them? Cancel all the rest here. Okay. In for 9 long. So down here, 9 long. Would be nice to get in here again. So what did we get in? We got in 3, 3 down here. So if we exit the first 3, our average is going to be right up here. It's going to move up about 5 points. So it still looks like it's going up. Got this level up here. Let's draw these on the small tick chart. So we got that. Then we got a level here. Let's take one off here. Okay. Then we're in for 8 still. So that one that we took off was $400. So 8:42, almost 15 minutes in. So it came down, got a level here at around 140. It came down. It's been playing with the white line and then this line here underneath. Let's see if it breaks this. Looks like it might. It's almost going to close. So long. This is long, like everything's long now. We'll take one more off here. Then we'll switch this to 7. So I'm fully expecting this to hit up here. And then we'll leave this in a profit down here. So this one, since I drew it on the left chart, it's not going to move unless I move it. Oh, it's stalling here, maybe. Okay, so that took us out. A nice move up. Oh, keep going. Whoa! Yes. Right at 8:45. Oh, there must have been some news or something. Let's see, 60. So it's a 20 point. Okay, so how are we looking over here now? Anything? Yeah, like 170 is maybe like the next level. So it's approaching that. How are we doing? So we took off a couple. We're at almost $1,000, and we're still, wow, 6,000. This is a sweet move. We're gonna get up here that quick. Okay, we'll expect a little bit of a pullback. I don't know if it's going to hold here or not. Might hold here. I don't know if we want to go under here. How many points is that? 50. So that's 20 points. Should have added another 7 right here. How about that? So the question is 173. Oh, nice. Go, go, go. I was going to say, is 173 going to be something that it's going to struggle to get through? Okay, 5-minute chart. So we got this. Our entry is just above 200. How are we looking to the left of this? We're right, kind of. So we got a level here at 170. Got another one up here, like 180. And then this is 190. So 180, 190 might be a struggle bus zone. And we're just at the cusp of that. So we hit this 164 level. It's a little like delay or something there. Okay, go back up. Otherwise, we'll get out here. Maybe just below, like right there. Just give it a little more room. Could be going down here. Okay, broke through this. Close above. Another 200 to go. There's an opportunity to add. So we're in for 7. Let's try something. So here we're thinking it's gonna. I think it's gonna rip through. We'll double our size, and we're thinking it's gonna get up in here. Go, 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 go. Okay, can it hold this from the top side? Should have done this earlier, like over here. And how we doing? 853. Come on, rip up. So we got in down here, right? So 20, so that's what, a 70-point move or more? Okay, we're approaching 200 right there. You know what? I'm going to narrow this up. So if it comes ripping down, it'll take us out. We'll be out of this trade. We'll restart, and then we'll do the next session, maybe like at 9 o'clock or just before 9 o'clock. So 96. So what's going to happen up here? Is it going to rip? Or is it going to slam down? It's struggling up here. Or maybe not. Where's that sell? Okay, so that was at 212. So we expect something over here. Okay, so it stopped just shy of 200, and will it take us out? We'll go just under. I can only make up my mind, right? We'll just exit here. And we're good. Okay. Cancel everything. Okay, pause this. So what time is it? 8:58. We'll start the next one at 9 o'clock. So how's this one? I'd say this one was a B level. I did do something risky over here to double my position because it seemed like it was going. This is like the worst place to do that, by the way. I really should have done it down lower because, it had this area here around 175 where this could have been the third time it, bumped its head onto the ceiling and then went down. But I got lucky and it continued to go through. By doing the long over here, it brought my break even up like halfway in between wherever it was before. So it was like somewhere in here or something like that. So I still could have exited immediately, still had a profit. But how do we do? We did 10 and a half. Not bad. And yeah, so I like doubled the gains over here, because we followed it up from another what, 73, like another 10 points with double the position. So that's pretty good. But yeah, I'd say this is like a B plus. I'm pretty happy with it. This entry down here was sort of okay. I'm happy that this worked out. This could have been really bad. Well, not really bad. It could have, dinged us a bunch, but it did work out in our favor. So the question is, going into the 9 o'clock hour, is it going to take a dump over here, just in the next 2 minutes, or is it going to keep going up into our circle up here? So we'll call that a wrap for this session. This is session 18, where we did about 25 minutes of trading approximately. We did 10,500, pretty darn good, with the longest trade being 22 minutes and 100% positive trades. That's awesome. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Catch you all on episode 19.